Welcome back to Saundra's Homestead for Thursday, the 29th of June. Today we have finished putting all of the WRB around the entire house and the liquid flashing around all of the window bucks. And we've begun putting the siding around all of the walls, the 2 inches of insulation around all the walls. What we found is as we get to the windows, we're going to need window flashing at the top, so we can't put the 2 inches of rigid insulation on the top of the windows until the flashings are on. So we will work on that. And as we look into the driveway, you'll see a large orange painted beam. That's the ledger board that's going to go on the front of the house. And Wayne completed drilling that and staining that today as well. Also, the entire roof is now weatherproofed. It is on. The TNG, I'm going to look in. Wonder if you can see in. The entire roof is on. So no more gaps for rain. They've put the tongue and groove as well as the titanium 30 house wrap, high temperature house wrap on the roof. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching Saundra's Homestead. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, and we will talk to you again tomorrow. Have a great day.